Hello my friends, welcome you back again our another video. Friends, we have already posted yesterday. We will discuss here today how to you will link your withdrawal address on Satoshi app through MetaMask wallet. So before we have already shared here 4 tips to protect your Satoshi account and MetaMask wallet from scammer and hacker. So read this carefully, friend. We have already posted on our Telegram channel. You will get on extra security tips to protect your wallet. Please read this all section before you are going to edit your wallet address. Now we will go our main topic, how to we can link withdrawal address. And one more things, friends, here you can see here, before we have did already testnet transaction to receive free cash. This option also removed from yesterday. We cannot participate anymore testnet transaction to receive 3 cash. So follow me what I am doing right now. And one more things, before you are going to add your wallet address, follow the all tips, security tips, like change your email ID on Satoshi app and change your asset password and change your login password. Also, if you can update your mobile through service center on your mobile shop, it will be very good for you. There are a lot of mining applications who can access your sensitive data, so I am requesting you. And please don't forget add 2-factor authentication your email ID, and also don't forget to add recovery phone number and email ID to protect your wallet and get it back if you lost access your password. So one more thing, friend, and you have to create also MetaMask wallet. Before you are going to add your wallet address, you have to create your MetaMask wallet. If you don't know how to create MetaMask wallet, we can create another video how to make it. Otherwise you can follow, it's a very simple step. You will get a lot of video on YouTube how to create MetaMask wallet. After create your MetaMask wallet, must remember like password, passphrase and the recovery key. It's very important for you because in non-custody wallet there have no option for recovery. Like if you forget our email, there have a forget password option. We can recover our password through mobile OTP or recovery email through. But for this non-custodial wallet, once you forget your passphrase or password, there have no chance to get it again. So please bear in mind, friend, it's very important for you. So save it very carefully in any electronic device or on a piece of paper. And if you did before on testnet transaction, don't use old wallet, MetaMask wallet. Please create new one. And before linking withdrawal address, just create MetaMask wallet and keep your passphrase and recovery key, recovery key and password. And before linking withdrawal address, just try once for trial purpose. Uninstall this application and install again and try your secret recovery phase and password to restore it. If it works successfully, then you can link your withdrawal address, because some people they are don't know yet how to use it. So if you miss a small letter or big letter or a number, you cannot get it back your wallet. So before you are going to link withdraw address, watch it carefully, because there are only 3 times to change our withdraw address. So every time we have to mind carefully. One minute, friend. You can see here coredao official medium, they have already posted. There are 2 options: adding the new network on your browser extension. These are manual method, and here you can see these are automatic method you can use here. 1 minute. Adding the core network to MetaMask with the core explorer. We have already, I think last video already explained how to you can add it. So once again we are going to show you. Just open this website on your MetaMask. You can see here, after open the medium website link, I mean core blockchain website link, core mainnet website link. 1 minute, it's opening. Sorry, 1 minute. Code chain. Yes, scan coredao.org. Just go to simple video section and click add core network, and just click on approved. Click switch network. It was success. Just go. And one more thing here, friend, don't create any other accounts, just only use here only single account. Don't create any other account, because recently we have seen already there have no option to receive 3k hash. So if you create another account, it may be risky for you, so be careful. And always keep backup your passphrase, recovery key, and secret passphrase, secret recovery passphrase, password, secret recovery passphrase, and private key from your first account. And don't use their too much account, otherwise you will maybe forget it. So you always use here only single account, but you can switch here your testnet and mainnet. Core wallet, you can see here. 1 minute. Now how to link your withdraw address? Now I am simply going to show you a video. Already it's available on Discord channel. I will give on my YouTube channel, you will get from their link, and also Telegram channel. If you follow that video, you can simply add your withdraw address. 1 minute. You can see here. You have to open your Satoshi application, and you have to go me section. Then you have to go asset section and click on core. Thereafter you have to click link withdraw address and read this section carefully. One minute, just watch this video. First you can see here withdraw address. 1 minute, sorry. Withdraw address, where you will get it. Just we have recently added it, code chain mainnet address. You can see our wallet core. You have to copy this wallet address. Like for us, I have just recently, 1 minute. You can get it from here. When you will click on receive section after adding code chain mainnet wallet, you will get this barcode and copy address. Just copy it. And also before you are going to add it, you have to set your asset password, the below section. If you not create yet, create a asset password, and you have to enter your asset password at the video section. 1 minute, the another video I am going to show you here. You have to paste the below section your asset password. Thereafter you have to click link withdraw address, and you will get like this an interface. You have to enter your register email ID here. Thereafter you will get an OTP. Like if you did first time registration, like the same process you have to follow, and last process you have to follow also face verification. And while you will do your face verification and the person should be same, you have to move slowly your mouth, I mean face, sorry. You have to slowly move your face and don't use any caps, sunglass, caps, etc. Just follow this video. And please don't forget to join Discord channel to get anything help from moderator and admin. They will give you more better information than me. So please my friend, don't forget to join Discord channel. You will get from there immediate update. And also be aware from scammer, because scammer may be DM you on Discord. Ignore them, because admin and moderator, they will never DM you. You can share core withdraw address link is successful. You can verify it also. 1 minute, you can share. Once you will go back again and click on link withdraw address, you will get your withdraw address. It was linked successfully. Okay my friend, I hope you understand. And if you have anything question, contact our Telegram channel, and you will get this link also. I will post my YouTube channel and also Telegram channel. Please join there, and close your DM after join here. Just click on 3 dot section and close your DM. So other scammer, when you will message you, they will unable to send you message. Allow direct message. You have to off this section. Okay. So other scammer will be unable to send you message. So I think you have understood my friend, and read this section carefully. You can link and change the wallet address 3 times at most before you lock your registration. Please make sure to make good care of your private key and numeric phrase to avoid loss of funds. Please do not use a code deposit address from any exchanges. Please do not use a code deposit address from any exchange. They are warning you. So please, and also don't use any other place on your withdraw address. And many people attracting to get airdrop. One things I will show you here. 1 minute. See here, last chat I have already did yesterday. Hey guys, 1 minute. You can see here, how does a dash token steal from a wallet? I one time also found a token in my wallet from unknown source, and the following day all my 65 was wiped away. See here, how does a dash token steal from a wallet? So be careful from this all scammer. They will give you fake promise to get just deposit here 1 core and you will get 10 core, 5 core. Please beware from the scammer. 1 minute, you can see here, core Claims will be facilitated by the decentralized smart contract. The execution process is a follow. Link the withdraw desk. System review for abnormality. System will finalize the data that will get sent to the core DAO. Smart contract is deployed. User can claim core from smart contract. Detailed guide and tutorial on the process will follow. Warning. System will only send the data to core DAO twice. The first processing time is UTC 2023 6 February and the second processing time is 2023 May 15. So there have two times, first processing batch time and second processing batch time. 15 May before we have to complete must. If you miss in case 6 February you are getting failed to link your withdrawal address, and don't forget 15 May before to add it. You have time a lot, and you can see how to claim core through smart contract. Visit the website claiming website address to the released letter. Claim core following in the instruction on the website using MetaMask wallet. Details guideline and tutorial and the process will follow. The initial available amount would be 25%. The remaining 70% will be released every month in the next 2 years. So we will get 25% our token and 75% it will locked 2 years, but we will get it monthly 2 years. So this was our topic, my friend. If you have anything question, contact our Telegram channel, and please don't forget like, subscribe our channel to get more video. Thank you, friend. Have a great day.